This 2014 Keystone Bullet 207 RBS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Nacogdoches, Texas, 75964 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV Powersports. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 23 feet 11 inches in length and features a saddle interior, sleeps 4, external shower, carbon monoxide detector, oven, refrigerator, DVD player, water heater, LP detector, air conditioning, slide-out, TV antenna, and 41 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2014 Keystone Bullet 207 RBS is 4,020 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.